This tip will help you avoid coming to manually adjust columns. For example, if you're typing attributes of students like name, so university stroke school, age, and then gender, and then you find that the column is too big for age and then they're too small for university. In order to avoid that, let's see how to do it. Go to a sheet, right click on the sheet name, click on view code. The code window comes, change from general to worksheet, and then press tab, enter code cells dot entire column dot autofit. Once you do that, close the code, come and type name, so just automatically university stroke school, age, and then gender. I hope you find this helpful. Often you get data for performance